this dress today. It needs to be, something needs to happen. Got a hole in it. This is something I could probably repair, but it is kind of tight. Also, something melted onto the sleeve. Like, I have no idea what this is or what happened. It's like hard plastic that melted and cooled. So it kind of destroyed this cool sleeve. So I need to figure out what to do with this dress because I still really love the color and I love this. My first thought was to just make it into a skirt, like cut this off and make it into kind of a wintry skirt, which is great, but this is kind of the best part of the dress is the embroidery on the top. So then I thought maybe I just take the sleeves off. I don't know how that would look. In the winter, I'd need to wear something underneath it, and would that look weird? I think I might start there with the sleeves and see what I think. Okay, I took the sleeves off. This is just the shirt I'm wearing today. It's not what I'm planning on wearing underneath this. But if I kind of hem this up a little bit, I think it could be really cute. And then I still get to keep this pretty part instead of just taking it away for a skirt.